Is the Inside Track Club from Harbor Freight worth it? My God, I can't believe I even have to make this video. This is the part of the video where I'm supposed to ask you to subscribe. Tell you to subscribe. You better subscribe, or I'm going to come to your garage and grind all the etchings off all of your tools so you don't know what size they are. Are you going to save money with the Inside Track Club from Harbor Freight? Does Redbeard shit in the woods? No, seriously, that's a legitimate question. Does he? If you even know what I'm talking about when I say Inside Track Club, that means you already shop at Harbor Freight and you already know that they have a discount program. Why aren't you using it? And then people are going to actually post in the comments. Somebody's going to post it. I know they're going to post it. Well, is this a sponsored video? Are you sponsored by Harbor Freight? Where's it at? Where's it at? Down here? Do you look at that? What? Do you look at the sub count? No, it's not sponsored. Oh, I see you walking through the store, scoping out those little orange tags, turning up your nose and walking away because you don't want to spend $30 on a membership? Yeah, ignoring the orange stickers. Oh, that's my daughter's corn. I'm making her dinner like a good house bitch. You don't want to spend $30 on a membership? Well, stick around till the end of the video and I'll tell you how to save 30% off of a membership. Oh, no. Don't skip ahead. I see you. Don't skip ahead. Watch the video. Kyra, are they going to save money with the Inside Track Club from Harbor Freight? She's 6. She's 6 and she knows more than you. What do they have at Harbor Freight for the Inside Track Club? They have all the shit you're already buying. This is like Christmas. Once a month, every month, all year long. You get to save money. What's it going to be next month? I don't know. Check out the flyer. It's coming in the mail. Your mailman's about to be your best friend. All right, pro tip time. If you sign up online through the website for the Inside Track Club, you get $10 off. $10 off a 1 year or $10 off a 2-year membership. That's pretty good savings. So then it's only costing you $20 a year. If you buy the 1 year, it's costing you $20 a year for the Inside Track Club. You're telling me you can't save more than $20 in a year with the Inside Track Club? I suppose if you never go to Harbor Freight, then yeah, you probably won't save $20 in a year. But again, if you're watching this video, you shop at Harbor Freight probably more than once a month. I'm in there at least 2-3 times a month buying shit I don't even need. Don't need it. My fiance hates me. Hates hearing the name, hates the store, hates the YouTube channel. That's actually true. Says I spend too much time on it, which is funny because I don't spend any time at all. Oh, but I'm not done yet. I got a message for Harbor Freight themselves. We need to improve this program. There's some giant flaws in it. I hear there's a fix coming in the form of no more coupons. I hear within the next calendar year from my store manager, they're going to have it to where if you're an Inside Track Club member, you automatically get the price. You don't have to clip a coupon. You don't have to scan anything. The cashier doesn't need to flip through a little book of pages they printed off the internet to find your coupon code. It'll just automatically apply. Thank God. But let's be realistic here. How can we improve the Inside Track Club? I mean, not having scanned coupons is a pretty good idea already, right? Like, that's going to save some time. How about this? How about this? Best price all the time. I don't want to have to worry about, is this coupon better than the sale price at the parking lot sale? Is this coupon better than one of the store coupons they already have out for the general public? I don't want to have to worry about coupons at all, ever. If I'm in the Inside Track Club, I should always get the best price available every time I shop. Automatically scan something, best price possible. What's so hard about that? I'm paying money. $20 a year for this program of yours. Alright guys, so in conclusion, are you going to save money with the Inside Track Club from Harbor Freight? Yeah, if you're not a moron.